DG Verve Technologies Private Limited.
Good morning. This is Prahalad Sarnad, co-founder, CEO, Digivo Technologies Private Limited, in short, Digivo, an edutech company which brings integrated solutions to empower and enhance higher education institutions. I'm happy to introduce institutional evaluation software, which supports institutions in developing the strategic leadership and capacity to manage the change. P4DT, also known as Platform for Digital Transformation, has predominantly 6 modules covering 360-degree aspect of higher education. That is where like the module accreditation management system, which deals with different levels of accreditation, whether it is program level, institution level, or a ranking system. Similar to the accreditation system, we also modules built for student management to enhance the students' growth, and similar way for the faculties, for faculties' growth, overall growth. And respectively, we do have the campus management system, which focuses on campus activities, then alumni, which is more bringing alumni groups together to the college, and then the blog management, which creates the innovativeness to the college. And of course, we have our own product, My Tuitions, which also helps students community and faculty community to connect with latest digitization. As far as methodology is concerned, P4DT is in line with outcome-based education system, as you can see. And as far as evaluation is concerned, P4DT follows DMAIC method, where, as you know, it's all about defining, measuring, analyzing, improving, and controlling. As far as features is concerned, P4DT has an excellent features, like it's a white label product. It has a live scorecard as far as accreditation details are concerned. It comes with a standardized templates. The important thing is like it integrates with college, student, faculty, and alumni. It also gives the facility to vet the reports and to conduct a mock audits. The traceability is another important factor. And needless to say, a click of a button, you will get SAR reports, self-assessment reports. And also, as you can see, one of the example like where software is loaded on a tab or a mobile, as you can see in the picture. In short, overall summary, the platform for digital transformation P4DT, institutional evaluation software, which is built in line with Washington Accord. Needless to say, it monitors all the quality parameters, incorporates all the professional competencies and necessary latest technologies and skills, and it supports and fulfills all the criterias and parameters what an engineer looks from accreditation perspective. Thank you.